Weight and balance. What do we know about weight and balance? Well, we know that the weight of an aeroplane is critical because there is only a limited amount of payload the aeroplane will accept, and the weight is the fundamental starting point. Once we know the weight of the aeroplane, once we determine the centre of gravity, we can start to develop our loading sheets. So it's a requirement. Of course, the aeroplane is weighed when it's new, and it's a requirement that the aeroplane will be weighed how often? In actual fact, some countries require a 5-year reweigh. Many countries, in actual fact, require a 5-year reweigh. EASA requires a 4-year reweigh. So we need to just pay attention to where the aeroplane has come from. For example, it's operating in a country that requires a 5-year reweigh. We move it to a country that's regulated by EASA. And if that aeroplane is at 4 years and 3 months, when it arrives, it lands and it's overdue for weighing. So again, this is part of the considerations that we need to pay attention to. So whilst we will weigh the aeroplane every 4 years in EASA, 5 years in other countries, we should pay attention to the fact that every time we modify the aeroplane in some way, we change the weight, and we need to calculate it. And so in between the weighings, we will calculate the weight of the aeroplane. So if we add a new box of avionics equipment together with wiring, we know that the wiring weighs, let's say, 3 pounds or 1.3 kilos, for example. We know that the box weighs 1.2 kilos. So we add the box 1.2, the wiring 1.3, and we've now got a combination somewhere around about 2.5, 2.6 kilos. So we can deal with that. And we know now that the weight is being added here. We know how far away it is from the centre of gravity, and so that becomes our moment arm, and we update the load plan accordingly. And that has to be managed and certified.